Hi guys, and welcome to Bali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I am sharing some amazing websites that you can use for you to be able to find work from home jobs that are always hiring, and some of them actually don't even require any experience. These companies, as well as job positions, are amazing for somebody who is looking for a second job on the side, and or for somebody who's actually looking for a full-time job that they can do remotely from basically anywhere in the world. Before we start, since a lot of work has gone into putting this amazing video together, please just reward me by hitting the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube. And also, if you haven't already, just click that red subscribe button so that you can join the Bali Talks community and never miss out on any of the content that happens right here. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The first amazing company that is offering work from home jobs that are currently hiring, that some of them don't even require any experience, is called Cloud Task. Cloud Task is a job platform where different companies come to either find research projects that they can use for their own research and or to be able to find remote candidates just like yourselves that are looking to be able to participate in some of the jobs that they actually post. I just want us to scroll all the way to the bottom of their website so that we can gain an understanding of the kind of remote jobs that they actually have by just clicking this Find Remote Jobs tabs right here. On Cloud Task, they say find remote jobs with companies paying in USD. Remote jobs starting from anything between 1,000 USD per month. They say here, create your Cloud Task Marketplace candidate account and start gaining access to the resources and support you need to complete for remote openings with companies hiring for sales development, account executive, customer success, as well as customer support roles. So basically, these are the different roles that you could potentially find on a platform like Cloud Task. What I like about some of the roles, say for example the customer support roles, is that they do not require any experience. You could easily be a startup and or just looking for an entry-level job, and you're more likely to get hired on a platform like Cloud Task. Cloud Task has a few things that they want you to know about how they actually work before you can even create your account. So step one, you need to create your video profile. Your Cloud Task Marketplace video profile is how you'll introduce yourself to the hiring companies as well as highlight key facts about yourself and your professional experience. This is your opportunity to make a strong first impression. This is something that I always say, that when you're creating your profile on these remote work from home job platforms, you'll need to make sure that your profile is strong so that it stands out from other people that are actually applying. This will allow you to obviously be able to get hiring managers to search through the Cloud Task database and actually find somebody exactly like you in order for them to select you for an interview. Step number two, your video profile gets reviewed as well as approved. One of their sales outsourcing specialists will review your video profile for approval within 5 business days. This information is great for people that are always asking me, how long is it going to take if I apply on a certain platform? How long are they going to take to hire me? Here on Cloud Task, they promise that they are going to check your video, review it, and get back to you within 5 business days of your submission. Sometimes they may contact you to re-record your video or provide feedback and resources that you can use to obviously improve your video and maximize your chances of being selected for interviews. This is an amazing thing because I just feel like sometimes you find you're just going to get rejected immediately and then possibly need to go through the entire process again. But I like the idea of them actually giving you feedback on the video that you've done and also suggesting resources that you can use to improve your video so that obviously you stand a better chance of actually hooking interviews. Number 3, they promote your Cloud Task profile. Once your profile is approved, your profile will be added to their marketplace so that hiring companies can review your profile and obviously invite you to compete for their job openings. The more in demand your profile is, in other words, the more companies want the skills, mindset, as well as potential performance that you possess that you have already presented in your interview, the more interview invitations that you're actually going to get. Always remember, guys, your future clients decide whether they want to invite you to compete for a job opening or not the Cloud Task team. So that's why it's very important for you to make sure that the video that you're doing is up to par and that if there's any feedback that they give you about it on how you can actually improve it, you actually take it to heart. Number 4, once your Cloud Task profile has actually been promoted, you compete for the jobs that the different companies would have posted on Cloud Task. When a company invites you to compete for its job opening, a member of their team will actually reach out to you to schedule an interview time with a representative from the hiring company. This meeting will take place via web meeting because it is a remote job. It's a work from home job. You will never physically need to be in the office and or even physically need to meet any of them. So a pro tip that you need to take into account is the fact that if you respond promptly to meeting invitations and obviously show up consistently always demonstrating that you're prepared and that you're able to create more value for the company than any of the competitors that they're actually going to be interviewing. You will give yourself a best chance of winning job offers that are more of the jobs that you actually want. Step number 5, then you accept the job offer. If the hiring company decides to offer you the job, you will receive a notification from the hiring company and coordinate the next steps with the Cloud Task team. Step number 6, you prepare for onboarding. Once you've accepted the offer from the hiring company, then you are off to the races. The hiring company will take over from here and get you onboarded. Then they'll collect your payment details, set you up for training, etc. So again, this job opportunity is actually great for somebody who's actually at an entry level, does not have any experience, and or maybe even a degree that relates to the kind of jobs, because a lot of the companies are actually going to be able to train you for the job that they actually want you to take. I want us to read a few of their FAQs just so that we can put to rest some of the concerns that you might be having about Cloud Task. Is there cost associated with creating your account in the Cloud Task Marketplace? It's absolutely free to join Cloud Task Market. There's no cost to creating your account, publishing your video profile, and taking interviews with hiring companies. So you will not be required to pay any money up front. Please do avoid links and or companies that are trying to make you pay a bit, except if you are trying to subscribe to platforms like FlexJobs, because obviously for you to be able to gain access to a wide variety of jobs that they have available on their website, they do require you to actually subscribe and or be on a premium package. However, they still do offer free job listings that you can actually also browse. So the only time that you're actually going to make any payment is when you have once been hired. So you don't even make payment into the company. What happens is that Cloud Task actually sends your payment, the one that the company is already paying you, with 15% less as what they keep for their marketplace fee, to obviously keep your profile on their marketplace and keep promoting your video to potential hiring companies. I think this is actually fair, because obviously it's like a hosting platform for them to be able to continue to run the things that they actually need to pay for on their website. All you have to do is just have your profile there and potentially get a client. If you don't get hired, you do not pay anything. When you are registering your account, you do not get charged anything. But they actually take 15% from the money that you're actually going to make once you've actually been hired, which again, I think is a fair amount compared to a lot of other platforms that require you to have a monthly subscription. The second important question I want us to look at is the one that says, does my location matter when applying for sales candidate requests? Generally, the majority allow you to work from anywhere, but if there's a restriction related to a specific request for sales candidates, you will find those in the details of the request. So again, this is a remote work from anywhere, work from home job opportunity that you can actually take advantage of. Sometimes the job listings may require you to be from a certain location. However, a majority of them, as they mention here, is actually work from home jobs that allow you to work from anywhere. So if you're looking for a second income stream online, and or you're actually looking for a full-time job online, you can come here onto their tab and start filling in this joining form so that you can start your process of actually joining Cloud Task. The next company that you can check out if you're looking for a work from home job, whether you're looking for a full-time and or a part-time job, is a website called FreeUp. FreeUp is basically a platform that provides opportunities for companies to come and find freelancers. So what companies do is come here and actually post certain jobs using this tab. However, because we are concerned about actually finding a job, we are going to use the Start Working as a Freelancer tab in order for us to discover what FreeUp actually has to offer. Before we can even start checking what kind of jobs and or how you are actually going to work on FreeUp, I just want to show you guys some of the expectations of what you can expect with regards to the payment. So when you come onto FreeUp, they're actually going to grade you based on whether you're an entry level, which means you do not have a lot of business experience and or qualification for a particular job, or you're mid-level, or you're now at the expertise level, which is basically somebody who is coming onto their platform already qualified, already experienced, just looking for a job that they can do working from anywhere in the world. As you can see, at entry level, you're going to get paid anything between $5 to $15 per hour. At mid-level, it's $15 to $30 per hour. And at expert level, which is obviously a level that we all want to reach one day, you're going to get paid anything between $30 to $75 per hour. This is what the companies are supposed to pay you as a freelancer on FreeUp. So I just thought let's hash through that before we can even go onto the joining tab to find out what are some of the requirements and or the things that you need to understand before you can even register as a freelancer. Once you click the Start Earning as a Freelancer tab, it takes us onto this page where we're going to find out more about what it is to be a freelancer on a platform like FreeUp. FreeUp is a freelance marketplace dedicated to connecting business owners with with talented freelancers as well as remote workers from all over the world. That's basically where you and I come in. They believe that freelancing is the future of business, which makes a lot of sense because, again, due to the internet, digital marketing, advances in technology, literally the work market around the world has become so small because you can basically work from anywhere in the world doing jobs that you would have ideally done sitting in an office that now you can actually do sitting all the way in your home. So FreeUp is dedicated to building the best community for freelancers as possible. So the benefits of working on FreeUp include the fact that you obviously get to work remotely, you get to work flexible hours because you decide when and where you want to work, you set your own rates, which is obviously amazing because it allows you the freedom to be able to decide how much you actually think your skill is worth. However, at entry level, you already have an idea of the amount of money that you're supposed to charge for a certain skill and or for a certain position that you'd be offering as a freelancer. You also get to build your profile on their platform. You also get to enjoy free monthly webinars that FreeUp actually puts together as a way for them to help you to improve your skills, to improve your job offering, to improve even your own profile and or portfolio so that you stand a better chance of actually getting picked for jobs. Currently, FreeUp is actually hiring from Brazil, Manila, Mexico, St. Petersburg, as well as the United States. So if you're in any of these locations, then FreeUp is definitely the platform that you should be checking out in order for you to be able to score yourself a remote job. They offer remote jobs in customer service, in content writing. Again, there's a lot of customer service representative jobs as well as content writing. They also have one of my favorite online jobs, data entry, as well as technical marketing positions. So if you're in any of these locations, as mentioned above, then you can come up onto the website and check out the kind of job offerings that they have and also be able to apply. I have, again, like I always do, put links in the description box for all of the companies that are actually listed in this video. So you do not have to worry about where you're actually going to get the link. All you have to do is go into the description box and click the links, and then they're going to take you to the website. The next website that we're going to look at that is offering remote work from home job opportunities is called Try Remote. This was actually formerly called Remotely, which is why you're going to see this Remotely tab here instead of the Try Remote one. But when you Google it online, please Google Try Remote because now that's what they're actually called. Remotely is a leading remote job board, connecting talented professionals with companies embracing the future of work. Their mission is to make remote work accessible as well as enjoyable for everyone, no matter where you are located. Since their inception in 2022, which they are actually a fresh company, but they already have so many job listings. I do remember that we've actually spoken about Remotely in one of the videos, but I still feel like it's a great platform for you to be able to find a part-time and or a full-time job online. Since 2002, they've helped thousands of job seekers find their dream startup jobs. Their platform features opportunities from diverse industries, including software development, marketing, design, and so much more. At Remotely, they believe that remote work is definitely the future. So by empowering both job seekers and employers with the tools they need to succeed, they are actually helping to create a world where location no longer is a barrier to professional fulfillment. So as a job seeker, this is basically where you're going to come. You're going to click this Browse Jobs tab. That is actually going to take you to an entire list of jobs that they actually have that show that they are remote. They have job categories in teaching, sales, product, operations, marketing, legal, HR and people, and so many other things. The job types that you can actually look at are either full-time, if you're looking for an internship job, part-time and or contract work. So they have a wide variety of different job types that you can actually look at depending on the schedule that you have, also depending on the qualification, because if you're somebody who's actually starting out, you're at entry level, you want to try out this internship jobs rather than any other job. Or if you have a full-time job but you still want to create a second income stream online by taking on a second job. This is such a common thing for people around the world, guys. People do have second jobs around the world. I know sometimes when you watch American movies, somebody's going to say, I work 3 jobs. This is exactly what they mean. So you can come onto a platform like Try Remote to find part-time jobs for yourself that will help you supplement your already existing income. So when you come onto their platform, you're going to realize that they list the most recent jobs, unless of course you're going to be specific about the kind of job that you're actually looking for. They list jobs from different places around the world, such as Ireland, Armenia, United Arab Emirates, United States, Spain, Hungary. There's so many that you can actually check out. They have more than 16,800 jobs that you can actually check out. All you have to do, obviously, is to sign up onto their platform to unlock all the job opportunities, because what you and I are currently seeing are just those that they put at the forefront so that you can obviously get an idea about what they're actually offering. As you guys know, since I'm currently based in South Africa, I often like to search the South African tab to find out what kind of jobs are actually available and if there are jobs that are actually available from this side of the world. When I did that, I actually noticed that there's different jobs. There's actually an entire list. You can be an FP&A manager, a crypto engineering manager, a crypto video editor intern. This is Johannesburg remote. This is Cape Town remote. So any one of these job opportunities are actually ones that you can be eligible for if you're in South Africa. There's also an online mystery shopper, which I just feel like is something that is open to a lot of people. I do know that when I checked Nigeria as well, this job opportunity to become an online mystery shopper for Amor was also actually open. So if you're from that part of the world, you also have an opportunity for you to be able to find a job on Try Remote. In order for you to find out if there are jobs in your country, you can easily just come onto this location tab and type in your country just like I did to find out if there are any job opportunities. And if there aren't, don't feel so bad. You still have options like Cloud Tasks that are actually offering you remote jobs from anywhere in the world, as well as many other platforms that I always suggest on a platform like Mbali Talks that you can check out to be able to find remote jobs. But for now, if you're somebody who's looking for the different jobs that have been listed here, and or you're from the UK, the United States, from Poland, from Portugal, from Spain, they have a wide variety of job opportunities that they're willing to offer you on a platform like Remotely, so it's best for you to actually check them out. The next company that is offering remote work from home jobs that are currently hiring is one that actually offers specifically customer service jobs, which I feel like are amazing for people that are still starting out in the remote work from home job category. This company is called Foundever. They actually make your job search a way more simple. They say here, work, lounge, repeat. Your home sweet home just became your office paradise. Given the tools and resources to deliver the best customer experience and the flexibility to work from the comfort of your own home, it's time for you to enjoy a rewarding work-life balance. These are amazing job opportunities for people that feel like either they are students and or they're stay-at-home moms but still want to be able to make a bit of extra money, and or you're somebody who's actually looking for a full-time job that you can do online, because customer service jobs are one of the easiest jobs for you to be able to join online. All you need most of the time is just a pair of headphones as well as a laptop and a good internet connection for you to actually be able to get a customer service job. You can find the perfect match for your skills as well as ambition by just searching the job open opportunities that they have below. What I also like about Foundever is the fact that they list the jobs based on country. So for those people that are always commenting in the sections to find out if this job is available in your country, etc., now Foundever has made it easy for you, because all you have to do is come onto their platform, hint, link in the description box, and just type in your location here and or your country, and then search the jobs that are currently available. If there are no jobs that are currently available in your area, then unfortunately it means currently they are not hiring from your part of the world. However, it's good for you to actually bookmark a platform like Foundever, because I do know that the job roles and job regions are always changing. So don't give up on them. Rather put them down somewhere and keep a mental note to say you're going to keep checking to make sure if they are still offering any jobs from your country. A good example is obviously me searching using the South Africa tab so that I can find out what jobs are actually available in South Africa on a platform like Foundever. For example, in South Africa, they are currently offering jobs such as team manager, customer service representative again, a corporate and non-advisor position, which is basically under the talent community, as well as other different jobs that you can check out. Most of the jobs that they're actually offering in South Africa are based in Cape Town, and you're going to join departments such as contact center operations, customer service department, business development department, account management, as well as solutions. So again, it makes it easier for you to search per country so that you can quickly find out if they're actually available. What I like about their website is that it is short and sweet, because again, it only relates to you being able to either use the keyword to search, which because they're a customer service company, most likely the job that you're going to search for is basically that. So best solution is to search per country to make sure and or to find out if they actually operate in your area. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of the video. I do hope that you guys have found this video valuable. If you have, please do reward me by just hitting that like button so that this video can do well on YouTube. And if you haven't already, don't be shy to join our community by just hitting the subscribe button, putting on your notifications so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Otherwise, I wish you guys all the best in finding remote work from home jobs, whether you're looking for a full-time and or a part-time job, and or just different ways for you to make money online. There's always something here on Mbali Talks that you can check out in order for you to do that for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.